How to set up the Tozo T6 wireless earbuds with a Windows 11 computer or laptop using Bluetooth connection. Let's get started. To get started, let's just say your Tozo T6 earbuds are in the case, fully charged, or have some battery life in them. And usually as you take them out of the case like this here, we'll take them out now, and you pay attention to where the light indicators are, you'll notice how they're going to start flashing, and then they will enter into pairing mode. One of them will start to go into blue and red, and then the other one will also do the same thing too, okay? So you notice how they're both blue and red, and that means that's pairing mode, and you can go ahead and set it up onto your Windows 11 device. However, if this doesn't work for some odd reason, it doesn't go into pairing mode, but they are on at the moment, what you're going to do now is simply long press them both together and turn off the earbuds. So turn it off first, so hold it down. And when they both flash in red, that means they're off, okay? So like this here. So now they're in an off state. And the next thing you want to do now is come back and long press both of them together at the same time and hold it down until they both light up in blue. So I'll hold it down like this and they'll light up in blue, and let it go once they light up in blue like that here. And when that happens, you just wait for them to sync into each other, give it a few seconds, just watch them flash in blue a few times, then they will enter into pairing mode like this here. So you've gotten them into pairing mode now, and once you've done that, you can put them in your ears if you want to, or just leave them on the side for now. Then head over to the startup menu on your Windows 11 computer, and you want to go through here if it's your very first time connecting it to the Bluetooth settings. So click here, then go to settings. And while in the settings section here, you'll go over to the part that says Bluetooth and devices right here. And as you click on that there, you'll see these different set of options here that's going to show up. And the first one is the Bluetooth switch here. So go ahead and turn it on. This is going to make your computer become discoverable for nearby Bluetooth devices. Then after you do that, you'll go to where it says Add Device. So click that, and then this will show up for you. When this shows up, you'll click on the Bluetooth option, and it's going to start searching for nearby devices. And by now, your Tozo T6 should show up, and you'll click on it one time. It's going to say connecting. It'll say it's ready to go. Once it's fully connected, you can press done here, and you'll see that this shows up here, okay? Now, you can choose to go down to the volume panel section here at the bottom right, and where the volume slider here is, you'll see this arrow right here. When you click on that, you can choose between whether the audio comes out of your computer speakers or your headphones, which is the Tozo T6. If this is not there for some odd reason, or your volume panel is not there, while in this section here or in the main settings, go back to where it says System right there to the top left. And while under the Systems category section, go to where it says Sound. As you're in the sound section, you can choose the output for the audio where the sound is going to play from, and you should see headphones Tozo T6. That's the output. And if you decide to use it as a headset or a mic, depending on the compatibility of the app you're using it with, you can go here to Input, and you'll see headset Tozo T6, and then now you can use that as your input device in terms of being a mic. And that's that. Like, sub, and thanks for watching.